Now we are going to our activity. We are Shelby and Woody. We met in 2015 and immediately discovered our shared passion for travel and adventure. We've cruised the Bahamas, rode a train through Alaska, and even got engaged in Hawaii. After stumbling upon a van life video on YouTube, we loved the idea but considered it a pipe dream. 4x4 Sprinter van, and unfortunately it's sold. Well, as you can see, with a lot of hard work and perseverance, that pipe dream is becoming a reality.
What came today?
Please consider subscribing so you can follow along on our journey while we build out a van, travel the world, and Encompass Adventure. Hello!
Hello.
You might notice that the scenery is a little bit different this time because, if we're being completely honest, we're kind of burnt out on our van build. So we decided to take a fun weekend to ourselves. Woody planned the whole thing. We're going to go to Park City here in Utah. He got a hotel, and we're just going to kind of explore Park City a little bit, and we have some fun activities planned this weekend. And what we're doing to start it off is Boo Lights. And Boo Lights is this thing that they do at the zoo here, the Hogle Zoo, and they decorate it for Halloween and a bunch of lights, and you kind of walk around and enjoy the festivities while wearing a mask, of course. Wear a mask.
Mask up.
Oh, we're inside the zoo and it looks like it's going to be fun so far. There's actually not a lot of people here, but it's cold.
Yeah,
huh?
it's freezing.
Oh, we weren't expecting it to be this cold. Luckily, we bundled up.
Keep in mind, 2 weeks ago, for early October, first part of October, it was 85 degrees in Salt Lake City.
Yeah. Even like, what, 2 days ago, it was like 70 degrees.
So, yeah, it was a great Saturday to
And
be
now
on
I think
last
it's,
weekend.
what, 45?
Probably lower.
Yeah.
Might be 40.
Anyway, let's go through the zoo.
Woo! We mentioned earlier, it is really, really cold. And what do you do when you're out and about and it's really cold? You get Dippin' Dots. You thought I was gonna say hot chocolate.
He got,
Oh wait, I got that too.
yeah, I don't understand what's happening. He got 2 hot chocolates, and what was your reasoning? He said he wanted one to keep his hands warm and one to
I
drink.
wanted to drink one fast and then one to carry around to continue to drink, but also keep my hands warm.
And then he got Dippin' Dots, which I'm not upset about
Nope.
because Dippin' Dots are amazing, but
It's a new check on our list.
to
Dippin'
eat-
Dots in October.
to each their own. How's your Dippin' Dots?
Pretty good.
How's your hot chocolate?
Pretty good.
Well, that was fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're back in the car and we're gonna head to Park City. It's dark, it's late. What time is it?
8:35.
8:35. So I think we're just gonna pick you guys up tomorrow. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're up and we've been nerding out playing Pokemon Go because our hotel room is on 2 gyms and 2 Pokestops. Don't judge us.
I have not been.
Anyway, Woody is making his world famous potatoes. That's what he says.
They are world famous because I have made these for a friend from Denmark when he was here, and he loved them. So
They're actually really amazing.
It's a couple of simple steps. These knives are not great. Cut them to your preferred size. Shelby likes them a little smaller. I like them a little thicker.
Because they get crispier that way, and I love crispy potatoes.
So I generally do them a little smaller because she's more important than me.
Aw, sweetie. Sucking up to the camera, I see. And then what do you do?
Well, then I either use olive oil or vegetarian butter. Today we're using vegetarian butter because I didn't want to haul our big old thing of olive oil up here. And once they're in the bowl, get them coated in a nice thin layer and then cover them in this special secret seasoning. Just kidding, it's the Greek seasoning. You can get that at pretty much any grocery store.
That's the key.
Now, the key is when to apply the second coat.
Yeah, that's true, because I tried to make these potatoes and they don't turn out as good. We'll do a room tour in just a second, but first, I wanted to show you this view. If I can open the door. New Park Hotel. That's where we're staying. And if you ever come to Park City, it's actually pretty nice. I recommend it. Well, just as I promised, it's tour time. So this is the front door. This is where you'll enter. And it has this cute little coat rack right here where, I hung up our coats. And then you have this super long hallway. Don't mind this, we need to take this downstairs. There's a closet right here, which has a whole lot of nothing in it. I honestly think it might meant to be locked because there's not even a handle on it. And then you have a washer and dryer, which is nice. It's like a little apartment over a hotel. You have another closet for coats and clothes and things like that. Really nice size. And then this is the bathroom. We've already spread out everywhere. So all of our stuff's all over the place. Look at this shower. And the bathtub. Very luxurious. Then you have this interesting feature. It's a window to the rest of the room. And then you go out here. And this is the bed. Nice big king size bed. Some more storage. Another closet that we've also taken over a bit. And you have this really cool fireplace. 3-sided fireplace, which we used last night, and it's super toasty, huh babe?
Yes.
The lamp, you have a couch, and this actually folds out into a futon or a hideaway bed, right? In case you wanted extra guests. And then you have a microwave oven, your fridge, a little induction stovetop, little dishwasher. This is the cutest dishwasher I've ever seen. It's tiny. Sink, table, TV, and then the reason Woody booked this place, it has a hot tub. This is a little like 2-person lay down hot tub, but if you get one of the rooms that have like a separate room, they have one of the bigger hot tubs. It's nice and crisp out here, and you better believe we're getting in that hot tub probably this morning. We had plans to make mimosas and get in the hot tub. And I think we're still probably going to do that after we eat breakfast. We just have a lot planned today, so we got to get moving. Got our mimosas made with what kind of champagne?
It's called Chloe. It's Italian Prosecco.
And we chose to do watermelon juice this time. Cheers. That's tasty. Oh, sweet hair, Shelby. Of course, we notice these everywhere now, but look what Woody just noticed. There's a van right there. It's all built out. It has a ladder on the side. It looks like it has a full AC unit.
It's got flares on it too. Pop out with the windows at the back.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. This is the delicious final product. Vegetarian maple sausages and amazing Greek seasoned potatoes made by my sweetie. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Well, after taking our sweet time getting ready,
What are you talking about? It's only 1:20.
3. But that's what vacation's for, right? We're actually gonna go on a drive before we have to head over to our activity that we have planned for today. Where are we going to drive?
Guardsman Pass.
In Park City, Utah.
Yep.
Neither one of us have ever done this. At least I don't think that I have, that I know of. But that we know of, we've never done this. So it should be fun. All the fall colors are kind of like fading out. So we'll see how it looks.
Yeah.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through.
Right now we're standing on Empire Pass, and you can see all these different peaks throughout. And this one right here, Mount Nebo, is about just a little over 55 miles away, and it's right out there.
In between those two mountains, you can barely see it.
It's really cool to see all the different mountain ranges just from one viewpoint.
So close your eyes. Do you feel the same? Only thing that matters without change.
Another fun fact that I just learned reading the sign is that there are a bunch of little mine shafts scattered throughout Park City, and the Ontario mine shaft that was bought for $30,000, I think it was, produced over $50 million in its lifetime.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with a splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down.
So we just stopped at this cute little cafe. Oh, I don't remember what it's called. They have these globes that you can sit in, and you have to reserve them, but we still got to sit outside, and it was just a quaint little Italian fall festive ambiance. Anyway, now we are going to our activity. Have you guys guessed what it is yet? I haven't given you any clues, so I don't know how you would have guessed. We've never done it before.
We are running behind, so I'm just trying to zip on over there so that we can get there.
That was a clue. And you are kind of high up off the ground. Well, if you guys guessed zip lining, you would be right.
We're here.
You ready, babe?
Yep. Let's do this.
I don't know how well you guys can see this.
We're going way up there.
All the way across. Well, that was fun. As you guys just saw, we just did a zip line over the water. Honestly, I was not nervous once. It was a lot more calming. It wasn't as much of an adrenaline rush as I thought it was going to be. That's not to say that it wasn't fun, because it was really fun. I was a little bit worried about the GoPro the whole time, like hitting the zip line, but I would do it again. They have a course or a package deal that you can do all 10 zip lines and then this little like
5 bridges.
Physical course, yeah, that you could do, and I'd like to go back, but it's kind of expensive. All in all, if you have not gone ziplining before, I would recommend it, and I would do it again. So we're back at the hotel now, and we decided to take a gander at the spa. Indoor-outdoor pool, steam room, sauna, towels, gym, Woody. God, this is Sparta. Oh.
My mom always told me, if you make a mess, you don't leaf it.
That's a leaf in the pool. Ooh, we could come back and test out the GoPro in here. Should we?
No.
Oh. Well, never mind. Back to the room.
I ho Silva.
Well, we just got back from an amazing dinner at a place called Hearth and Hill here in Park City. And I'm not lying when I say it's probably one of the best restaurants I've ever been to. I had like a vegan stroganoff and the noodles were just like perfect. We got sorbet, we got this dessert that had like slick Salt Lake City made huckleberry vanilla ice cream with hazelnuts and chocolate fudge on the bowl and waffles. It was just really good, so I highly recommend it if you guys are ever in the area. Anyway, I think we're going to sign off here. Babe, do you have anything to say? I'm signing off the vlog.
Nope, just get in the hot tub.
I hope you guys enjoyed following along on our super eventful day and weekend here in Park City, Utah, and that it was kind of a nice break from van building. And if you ever come in this area, try out ziplining and the restaurant and just kind of walking around and exploring what the city has to offer. And that being said, we will see you guys in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!
Bye.
Good morning. I know we said goodnight last night, but I just wanted to show you that it's snowing. Anyway, we're rushing to get checked out this morning, so goodbye for real this time. Wakey, wakey.
Eggs and bakey.
No.
Hey baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I tell you everybody's